An abstract lady sketch using scribbling method with pen. Welcome to this tutorial on creating an abstract lady sketch using the scribbling method with a pen. We'll be drawing up to the bust, with the face slanting and looking slightly upward, complemented by a background of scribbles. We need just two things. 1. A black pen or fine liner. 2. Drawing paper. Now, take your pen and start by scribbling the outline of the head and neck. The scribbling method involves creating loose, random lines to form shapes and textures. Next, define the facial features using the scribbling technique. Start with the eyes and nose. Remember, the features should be abstract and suggestive rather than realistic. Add the hair using the same scribbling technique. Let the lines flow naturally to create texture and movement. Continue the process of scribbling the hair, making it appear loose and free-flowing around the face. Next, let's define the main facial feature, the eyes. Scribble to create abstract shapes for the eyes and then show the face looking slightly upward. I will give you a brief idea about scribbling. The scribbling method, in sketching, is a loose and spontaneous technique where random, overlapping lines are used to create shapes, textures, and depth. This method allows for a free-flowing and expressive style, capturing the essence of the subject rather than focusing on precise details. By varying the pressure and density of the scribbles, artists can achieve different levels of shading and contrast, adding a dynamic and abstract quality to their sketches. Continue the process of scribbling the hair, making it appear free-flowing around the face. Draw the next eyebrows symmetrical to the previous one. Then, create the eyes. Continue adding scribbles to the face, define the shape and contours. Vary the pressure and density of your lines to create depth and texture. Next, for the mouth, use loose, curved scribbles to outline the lips. Avoid precise lines, letting the scribbles hint at the shape and contours of the lips. Continue adding the hair using the same scribbling technique. Let the lines flow naturally to create texture and movement. Continue to the bust, adding scribbles to define the shape and contours. Vary the pressure and density of your lines to create depth and texture. To enhance the depth and contrast, darken the scribbles across the hair, face, and other features. Focus on areas where shadows naturally fall. Increase the density of the scribbles in the hair, especially where shadows would fall, to add texture and volume. Continue to the bust, adding scribbles to define the shape and contours. Vary the pressure and density of your lines to create depth and texture. Continue darkening the scribbles in the hair, the edges, to enhance texture and volume. Darken the lips using scribbles neatly. Next, add scribbles in the neck, ensuring they complement the overall composition. Continue the scribbling to the neck and to the bust, with lighter lines for highlights and denser scribbles for shadows. Finally, add any finishing touches to enhance your abstract lady sketch. You can refine certain areas or add more scribbles for texture. Continue the final touch-ups, focusing on areas that need more definition or texture. To complete the sketch, add scribbles to the background. These should be loose and random, enhancing the abstract nature of the portrait. The process of adding background scribbles around the portrait, ensuring they complement the overall composition. And there you have it, an abstract lady sketch using the scribbling method with a pen. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing by trying it in other images. Happy scribbling!